All right. Hi, everybody. For Lab 8, we are going to be using the Chapter 6.7 finance formulas to solve for some values. So first of all, I'm going to give you the given information for our problems. We're going to be starting with a principal on all of these will be $10,000. The interest rate for all of them will be 5.5%, which of course we need to put in as a decimal, 0.055. The time that we'll be using is 6 months. And when you put time into these finance formulas, you need to put it in years. So 6 months is half of a year. And then we will be using monthly compounding when appropriate. So our N will be 12. Okay, so with all of this information, let's start out with our first formula. So the very first thing that we will be doing is finding what is the future amount if we only had simple interest. So the future amount for simple interest is our principal. You don't use commas on Desmos. Principal times 1 plus RT. Well, our R is 0.055 times the time is half a year. So our money in half a year would have grown to $10,275. So that was problem number 1. Problem number 2 is to find the future amount if there was compound interest with monthly compounding. So our formula for that one is P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. And put your exponent here in parentheses. So our N was 12. Our time is a half a year. So using compound interest, compounding monthly, it would have been a little more than simple interest. $10,278.17 is the future amount that it would have grown to. But what if it were continuous compounding instead? Number 3. Again, we have our principal of $10,000. This is the PERT formula. Principal times E raised to the RT power. So parentheses, 0.055. Times E. So we have $10,278.82 when it was continuous compounding. Okay, number 4, we're supposed to find the present value. So how much should we invest now in order to have earned this amount here from number 2, $10,278.17. So the A that you're putting in on problem 4 is from number 2. So we'll put in A, which is $10,278.17, and then